In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a vector database node, upload your vectors or embeddings, and query data using a workflow. This process is essential for managing and retrieving data more efficiently, especially when dealing with large datasets or complex structures. We'll walk through these steps clearly and thoroughly, ensuring you feel confident in managing your data with a vector database workflow. Let's start with connecting the vector database node. First, you need to open your database management tool and locate the option to add a new database connection. This might be found in a section labeled Connections or Database Management. Once there, select the option to add a vector database. You'll be prompted to input specific details such as the database host, port, and any authentication credentials. It's crucial to have these credentials handy. These might include your username and password or a secure API key. Carefully enter these details, as even a small typo can prevent a successful connection. After entering the information, test the connection. A successful test will show a confirmation message indicating that the database is correctly connected. This test ensures that all inputted information is accurate and that there are no issues with network restrictions or incorrect credentials. Now, let's move on to uploading your vectors or embeddings. Begin by identifying the set of vectors or embeddings you want to upload to the database. These could be in the form of files that contain data points representing features or characteristics in a multidimensional space. Ensure these files are formatted correctly, typically in formats like CSV or JSON, so that they can be smoothly read and ingested by the database. Once your files are ready, head back to your database tool and locate the upload or import function. This feature is often within the data or upload section. Click on it, select your prepared files, and initiate the upload process. During the upload, monitor any progress indicators or messages that appear to ensure the process is moving along as expected. A successful upload will usually culminate in a notification or status message confirming that the vectors or embeddings have been successfully added to the database. Finally, let's dive into querying your data via a workflow. In many database management systems, you'll find a feature labeled Query or Workflow. This is where you can create queries that interact with the vectors stored in your database. Begin by loading the query interface. This area allows you to write expressions or statements that filter and retrieve data from your stored vectors. Craft your query, ensuring you clearly specify your criteria like vector distance or similarity measures. This step might also involve selecting certain columns or data features to focus your query results. Once your query is written, execute it and review the returned data. These results show how closely your query aligns with the data stored in the vectors, helping you gain insights or perform analyses based on the embedding information. By mastering these steps, connecting your vector database, uploading vectors or embeddings, and executing queries, you'll be well equipped to manage and analyze data more effectively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.